So basically today, guys, I'm going to be doing some of my sports bike sounds, which I've been practicing on for a long time. I'm not very good at other things, so please don't request other things. I may let you request, then I'll try and practice on them, and I'll get to them in the next video. But for now, here's my sport bike impersonation. Thank you guys so much for watching. That was my sports bikes impersonation. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and like this video, and there may be more videos to come.